Good day, viewers. Get ready to learn about the exciting field of agrotechnology and how it's driving sustainable farming practices on smart tech. Ready to see the future of soil prep? The cultist from Vaderstadt, paired with Nexat, slices through the earth with unstoppable force. Reinforced tines, working depth of up to 12 inches, and a 16-foot cutting width. An agricultural revolution on wheels. Italians know machinery, especially when it comes to tomatoes. Corima's new 2-row harvester doesn't just collect, it handles the fruit gently, quickly, and without losses. Up to 25 tons per hour, all under the bright Italian sun. Kongsgilde and Agseed rewrote AG history by setting a world record in autonomous seating. Driverless equipment worked a full-scale field with precision and consistency. This isn't just a record, it's the future. Machines handle the tasks, farmers steer the strategy, all from a tablet. Kverneland Fast Bale Premium is the world's first continuous operation fixed-chamber baler wrapping combo. In 24 hours, it produced enough bales to feed half a continent, a true packaging tech revolution. The thought of harvesting coffee beans is boring? Not with the Jade K3500. This technological marvel turns each harvesting session into a virtuoso performance. With exceptional precision and power, the K3500 expertly covers each bush, ensuring no bean is harmed. Its efficiency will surprise even the most experienced farmers, and the speed of work allows processing large areas in less time. Get ready for a revolution in your coffee business, because the Jade K3500 knows how to breathe new life into each harvested crop. Meet the true all-terrain vehicle, a machine designed specifically for working in extreme conditions, such as marshes and difficult terrain. The H0 system, designed for windrowers, features a track system that not only provides optimum clearance to the cutter bar, but also maintains the necessary ground contact for stable operation. The 30-inch wide tracks and 27.5-inch axle height ensures that the machine maintains the perfect balance between off-road capability and efficiency, making it ideal for demanding agricultural operations. The 9000 series Roll Caterpillar tracks provide added stability and reliability in the toughest conditions. Here's the perfect cotton picker that makes the process not only efficient, but also pleasant to watch. This powerful double-row machine gently and carefully picks the delicate cotton, placing it in a closed hopper. And you know what? Watching it work is a pleasure. You see how each step is carried out with the utmost precision and care for the quality of the harvested material. So, this harvester doesn't just harvest the crop, it ensures it's in perfect condition thanks to clever technology and high-quality workmanship. At Site VI 2021, they presented a new product, the Extend XPN, which is an improved version of the XPS model. This electric weeding monster is ideal for those who deal with narrow vineyards. AI, you know, you don't just have a machine here, but your own personal gardener who keeps everything in perfect order. If you think taking care of your vineyard is a headache, see how the Extend XPN takes everything into its own hands, or rather, into its mechanical paws. The Zurn 110 is a combine harvester, and it's so compact that it looks like it could fit in your garage. It's ideal for those who want a clean, unadulterated grain harvest. This machine is easy to operate and does not require complicated setup, which is especially appreciated by breeders and small experimental farms. Moreover, there's no need to worry about transportation. Thanks to its lightweight and compact dimensions, the Zurn 110 can be easily moved between fields, even if they are far apart. And thanks to its modular design, this combine harvester can be customized to suit any needs and wishes. The Grimm Prios 440 is characterized by its modular design, which offers a wealth of customization possibilities and provides a high level of operating comfort. Thanks to its unique design with goose drawbar, intermediate frame, and separate lifting mechanism, this machine allows you to work the soil with any standard tool. At the same time, you can apply fertilizer, granules, furrow dressing, and liquid fertilizer, and plant potatoes at the same time. The Grimm Prios 440 is a true multifunctional assistant for your farm, which makes your work in the field more efficient and convenient. Watering tomatoes can be a spectacle too if you have a Casella PLMP 150-480 irrigator. It's not just a hose reel, but a real technological powerhouse with an integrated motor pump that helps you achieve an average yield of 130 tons per hectare. And how does it look in action? It looks great. No wonder watering tomatoes can be a real spectacle with this equipment. The ASA Lift TC1010 is a trailed single-row cabbage harvester that makes harvesting easy and efficient. This machine is equipped with an unloading elevator and special cleaning agents that automatically remove excess leaves from the cabbage. Thanks to this approach, harvesting becomes not only faster, but also more convenient, ensuring high-quality processing of each cabbage. This harvester revolutionizes sugarcane harvesting. It handles hundreds of tons of crops daily, simultaneously cutting, cleaning, and loading stalks with smart hydraulics and razor-sharp blades. The AbiMac front rakes ensure fast and high-quality work in the field. Easily adjustable front rakes gather leftover hay or straw into neat rows, maintaining cleanliness and order. With a 691 horsepower engine and 4 independent rubber tracks, it pulls implements weighing up to 40 tons while maintaining minimal soil pressure. The auto-track system and hydraulic force enable full automation during plowing, seeding, and cultivating. The boom-mounted system detects weeds at speeds up to 12 miles per hour and instantly applies herbicides spot on, avoiding healthy crops. This saves up to 70% of chemicals, delivers 98% efficiency, and reduces the impact on soil and water. The Keeler Classic is a full-blown tractor-powered potato opera with dual vibrating tables, sorting belts, and ruthless precision. Not a single tuber missed, not a speck of dirt in the bin. Tiger's modern leaf cleaning system harvests sugar beets with such respect, it's as if its roots are being honored. The field is left spotless, and the beets look ready for a storefront display. The Cleveland Trencher cuts trenches with surgical precision. Its powerful chain mechanism slices the soil up to 4 feet deep, simultaneously removing dirt and preparing the perfect path for laying utilities. The ABEC 170 is a true find for working on steep slopes. Its precision cutting blades handle grass and shrubs on hard-to-reach areas, while its all-wheel drive system ensures reliable traction even on challenging terrain. Ready to see a pumpkin load itself into a truck bed? This high-tech harvester with a powerful engine and automated sorting system gently lifts each pumpkin without damaging the skin. Zero losses, surgical precision. This Norden machine doesn't stack hay, it organizes order. The bale accumulator lines up 15 at a time and places them with ruler-like precision, saving time, labor, and fuel. It works quickly, efficiently, like a field-grade automatic stacker. A flying drone with a sprayer can cover up to 25 acres of land in just minutes, evenly distributing fertilizers or pesticides with inch-perfect accuracy thanks to GPS navigation and intelligent sensors. Meet the Rosensteiner Kip Top 2 Basic Hoof Care Stand, the pinnacle of innovation in veterinary and animal care. This standard equipment features a mechanical sliding head protection door that opens downward and adapts to any position of the animal's head, providing easy access and improved safety. Hydraulic tensioning of the abdominal belt ensures a secure hold, while centralized control allows the operator to effectively monitor all processes from the workstation. A high-quality Bosch Rexroth hydraulic power unit with a 1.8 kilowatt electric motor ensures smooth operation and high productivity. This makes the Kip Top 2 Basic ideal for fast and safe hoof care, making the procedure less stressful for the animals and more efficient for farmers. The Mengel SF300 Combine Harvester is the benchmark for convenience and efficiency in the agricultural industry. Don't be surprised, but in addition to its compact dimensions and clever design, the machine is capable of delivering excellent results in the field. In the latest version, this machine is equipped with a rear hopper, which increases its capacity and simplifies the harvesting process. In addition, the integration of 4 weight sensors allows for accurate measurement of the weight of each corn sample area, which is an invaluable plus in precision farming. With these innovations, the SF300 not only delivers high productivity, but also provides farmers with accurate data for yield analysis, making each season more predictable and profitable. Meet Samco Systems Cool Trailer Wagon, a masterful addition to a large combine harvester. The convenient wheeled wagon attaches to the tractor and follows perfectly alongside the combine in the field, ensuring an efficient and smooth harvest. Designed to maximize productivity and ease of use, this trailer greatly simplifies the harvesting process, allowing the combine to work more efficiently and reducing the time needed for harvesting. Thanks to its durability and reliability, the Samco Systems unit will become an indispensable assistant in any agribusiness. The Force 325 mini tractor has a cool sidekick, the power tiller, which work together to create a highly productive and reliable piece of equipment for quality tillage. The power tiller is designed to ensure precise and deep cultivation of the soil, improving its structure and promoting better plant growth. With a powerful engine and robust construction, the unit can easily handle tough working conditions, demonstrating exceptional durability and reliability. With its compact size and maneuverability, the mini tractor is ideal for use in confined spaces and small plots, giving workers maximum control and ease of operation. Have you ever wondered how you can grow fresh produce right amidst the hustle and bustle of the city? Vertical farming from Vertical Field makes this possible. This outstanding method allows you to cultivate healthy and natural produce on ondoor urban farms where every square inch is utilized to its maximum potential. With the vertical arrangement of plants, the farm takes up minimal space and requires little maintenance. So, soon everyone will be able to enjoy fresh, pesticide-free vegetables and herbs from every such local farm. How can technology transform your farm? Meet Robot One, a revolutionary robot equipped with 14 cameras and a dual GPS antenna. It's ideal for large plots and effectively combats weeds, making manual weeding a thing of the past. With Scan and Act, the Robot One automatically tends to the first 100 meters of the field, keeping the plants in perfect condition. It not only removes unwanted weeds, but also collects data, creating an accurate map of each plant's location for precise treatment later. Give Robot One the power to simplify the care of your crops, bringing innovation to your farm and increasing its productivity. The AVIC standalone laser bird repeller, distributed in South Korea by Bird Control Korea, is a high-tech solution for protecting crops and objects from birds. This device uses advanced laser technology to effectively repel birds, minimizing the risk of them damaging and falling on their protected areas. The reliability and innovation for which Bird Control Group is renowned makes this repeller an indispensable tool in combating bird problems, ensuring peace and order whenever it's needed. The Power Rake wheeled rake is the ideal tool for medium to small plots, where a moderate amount of crop needs to be harvested. Equipped with independently moving levers, these rakes are highly adaptable to the terrain, enabling efficient swath formation, even on difficult sloping terrain. Their unique design facilitates material collection and provides excellent swath formation, making harvesting cleaner and more organized. Power Rake Star Rakes combine functionality and convenience, making them an indispensable tool for efficient farm management. Hoopman Machines stands out in the market for their focus on the design and manufacture of specific Holaris onion processing machines. As you can see, their range of machines includes topper, onion harvesters, and topper cutters, each built with reliability in mind and equipped with advanced technology to ensure efficiency and precision in onion processing. These machines are specifically designed to maximize productivity and reduce the physical effort required during harvesting, making the process more economical and less labor-intensive for growers. Are you ready to take your farming operations to the next level of efficiency? The TM1210 and the TM1410 trailed mowers offer just that, allowing you to work large areas quickly and efficiently. With a cutting width of 17.7 feet on the TM1210 and 20.8 feet on the TM1410, these machines maximize productivity on every pass, and their compact 9.8-foot transport width makes it easy to move between fields. The mower's clever design leaves no chance for residual grass, ensuring a clean and even cut. You'll agree, we have some pretty powerful tools here. Looking for a versatile solution for the care of your green spaces? Amazon presents Grasshopper, a mounted mower with top-notch quality and reliability. This tool is equipped with a container capacity of 1,350 to 3,500 liters and offers working widths from 4.4 to 6.9 feet, guaranteeing high performance on larger areas. Thanks to its versatility, the Grasshopper is ideal not only for cutting grass, but also for scarifying, mulching, and collecting leaves and other debris. You can be sure that this mower will become an indispensable assistant for professionals who value quality and efficiency in landscape maintenance. Take a look at how perfect rectangular bales can be created with the right equipment. This technique ensures that every corner of the field is processed flawlessly and in the shortest possible time. Indeed, words are almost unnecessary here. It's better to see this machine working in the field once. The efficiency and precision of this machine not only speeds up the work considerably, but also ensures a high-quality harvest. KWS, together with the University of Göttingen and the Institute for Sugar Beet Research, have decided to tackle weeds in a new way with robots. As part of the project Future Live, they tested robotic systems to combat pesky weeds in sugar beet fields. It sounds like science fiction, but it's reality. To think about it, robots that make sure our beets are healthy and weed-free. Things like this not only make farmers' lives easier, but also make agriculture more planet-friendly. Meet the new heroes in the world of agricultural technology, the heavy-duty HDSR step rippers from Degelman. If conventional tillage isn't enough for you, these guys will come to the rescue. The HDSR goes up to 24 inches deep, which is a record for a ripper. And with 45 inches of clearance under the frame, you'll have plenty of room to get all those rocks and plant debris through the machine with no problem. Furthermore, changing work items is now safer and easier, which will save a lot of time and nerves. Well, now you see the ROC RT840M, an attachment that knows how to surprise with its flexibility. With it, you can change the working width from 19 feet 6 inches to 27 feet 5 inches thanks to a dual hydraulic system that allows you to adapt right on the go. When the pickups are connected, this technique can unload hay to the right and left, and when separated, it can unload between the two parts or into the middle. And although it cannot be folded for road transportation, the functionality in the field makes the technique an indispensable assistant on the farm. Are you already familiar with the state-of-the-art TrackX control system? This thing is a true master of control that will cooperate perfectly with your machinery. The thing is, the system is equipped with RTK precision to follow the machine perfectly, both in straight lines and curves, making it easy to control and shortening your work time. And the best part is that whatever your job, you only need an isobus screen. So forget about a number of extra screens or boxes in the tractor. Everything can be simple and straightforward. The SP3255 sets new standards in the world of big bale stackers. This machine is capable of picking up massive bales right where the baler left them in the field, and does so at incredible speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. Whether it's alfalfa, straw, or corn stalks, the SP3255 can easily handle 3x3, 3x4, and 4x4 bales. If you're looking for a machine that makes harvesting faster and easier, the SP3255 is the perfect choice. Krone has launched two new and powerful bow mowers, the EasyCut B 880 CV-CR Collect and B 1050 CV Collect. These machines are equipped with air conditioning as standard and can be optionally supplemented with cross conveyors. In addition, with the EasyCut B 1050 CV, you can combine swaths using the cross conveyor augers. These mowers are ideal for those who are looking for efficiency and power in the care for large areas. The Krone RX loader trailer, equipped with the OptiGrass cutting system, sets new standards in the professional segment, ensuring the highest forage quality and maximum productivity. The multifunctional loader trailer offers a transport volume of 33 to 40 cubic meters and is ideal for loading and dosing green forage, as well as for use as a transport trailer in forage harvesting equipment. With the high-performance OptiGrass 28 and 37 cutting units, the Krone RX guarantees a neat cut and uniform forage placement, thus increasing efficiency and cost-effectiveness. In a mature South Australian almond orchard, the Kelly Model 1204 is hard at work. This disc harrow is not just a machine, but a Swiss Army knife for farmers. It handles pests with ease, turns post-harvest residue into fertilizer, and prepares the soil for new crops, all thanks to its unique rhomboid-shaped system, which allows you to adapt different discs and spike chains for any task. And all this without the traditional heaviness. Looking for an easy and economical way to prune and prune vines? Introducing the new Combivity series from Pelling. It's a handy kit that includes a tool carrying frame and a choice of 3 attachments: the Precision Clear Pruner, the TRP, the Pre-Pruner, and the Stripper, all based on precision clearing pruning technology, which has been developed and tested by Pelling for decades. Combivity helps to mechanize vine pruning fully, reducing costs and optimizing the process. The ideal solution to reduce costs, speed up pruning, and solve the problem of labor shortages, making complex tasks easier and less labor-intensive. The Vervet Machinery Q621 self-propelled beet harvester has its name for a reason. The Q in the name means that the machine has 4 wheels, and the 6 indicates that the harvester harvests 6 rows of beets in one pass, and the 21 at the end indicates that the hopper of this machine holds 21 tons. The CS beet cutter is installed in the nose, and the heart of the machine is a powerful DAF PACCAR MX390 engine with 530 horsepower. And to ensure that the beets get to the storage or processing area without any problems, a loader such as the DeWolf R7050 can often help. Harvesting radicchio has been made easier with Ortmec's new Radicchio Harvester Agevalator. This machine, although only half automated, makes the work of the operators in the field much easier. The workers are still involved in the process, but now they can concentrate on the quality of the harvest while the machine takes over the hard and tedious part of the work. I'll tell you this, it accelerates the process and helps to maintain high standards when harvesting your salad plant. In this video, you'll see how the Bale Bandit 200 makes hay harvesting a real spectacle in action. Notice how this machine skillfully binds hay bales right into the field like a farm superhero. See how agilely and quickly it gets the job done, making farmers' work a little easier and more fun. In agriculture, where labor is always in short supply and costs are rising, many farmers want their tractors to be more than just tractors. They want them to be able to perform the functions of a combine harvester. It's for such needs that BCS has developed a new product, the Reaper Binder with front control on the tractor. This device transforms an ordinary tractor into a versatile machine that can not only plow the land, but also harvest it. Easy to operate and efficient, this device opens up new possibilities for farmers, helping them to optimize resources and increase productivity in the fields. In Chandler's young walnut orchard in Greece, the X16 harvester shows its best. Forget walnuts, this guy's working with something else. With a large hopper capacity, it handles the crop without too much interruption. But what's really impressive is how the X16 manages dusty conditions thanks to the dual motor filters, providing peace of mind in even the hottest conditions. Truly, the X16 is a cool nut harvesting machine that makes hard work easy and efficient. Meet the Grunner apple-picking trailer that knows how to pack both empty and full crates. It easily befriends your combine to pick all varieties of apples, making harvesting more automated and efficient. With its dual-level design and remote control, you can operate everything from the picker to the rear axle, all from the comfort of your favorite chair. And if the size doesn't fit, no worries. Grunner allows you to customize the dimensions of your trailer to perfectly fit your unique needs. Isn't it beautiful? During the first field test of the new Pluckotrack combine trailer, one tractor with forks was engaged in transporting containers between the orchard and the storage area. If there are significant distances between the picking site and the storage area, it's recommended to use large capacity trailers and reload bins on the headland. But this is just part of the big picture. Soon, a tractor trailer will be available that can haul up to 3 empty and 3 full bins at a time, expandable to 4 bins. I'll say this, using forks to move one garbage can in this case was a temporary measure purely to test the technique. Look out for the Krolik PSH3 hydraulic garden platform, available with optional 4-wheel steering for improved maneuverability. This feature becomes a real lifesaver in modern gardens where narrow row spacing can create problems for bulkier machinery. With the ability to turn all 4 wheels, the PSH3 maneuvers easily between rows, making it easier for gardeners to work and more efficient. The machine's full power is revealed when the 8-body semi-mounted plow begins loosening the compacted soil, bringing fresh, aerated layers to the surface. The spacing between bodies and optimal attack angle allow for clog-free operation, even on wet virgin land. The 1600-liter front tank works with a Lieb VT trailed sprayer, featuring booms of up to 39 meters and automation that keeps them just inches from the crop. The solution distribution is controlled with pinpoint accuracy through Boom Control Pro, not a drop wasted. This 800 horsepower tracked monster moves at 5.5 miles per hour through ripe wheat without slowing. Forget the steering wheel, a joystick controls it like a fighter jet. The rotor threshing system gently extracts grain at maximum efficiency. And the wide header cuts a swath as wide as 2 buses. A high-clearance self-propelled sprayer with a central 1,200-gallon tank and booms up to 132 feet treats corn with fungicide to keep mycotoxins out of silage. Precision farming tech means each nozzle is individually controlled, boom height is laser managed, and independent hydraulics ensure maneuverability. The custom-built, single-row self-propelled harvester from VE for wagon maker farms operates like a precise surgeon, cutting, lifting, and laying all in one fluid motion. A hydraulic system adjusts cutting depth, and the conveyor gently places stalks without damage. When the Masano RSC bites into the soil, it doesn't just loosen, it clears the earth for new life. With a 98-inch wide tiller, dual-shaft system, and deep incorporation capability, the machine turns clods and residue into a uniform carpet ready for perfect seeding. Preparing a vineyard requires finesse. The diggers work slowly, but with such precision, it feels like they're prepping ground for gemstones, not vines. Each tooth penetrates to a set depth, breaking old roots and preserving soil structure to give new vines a powerful start. Track picks by Swear makes it seem like the machine does everything, but your hands are still in the frame. The conveyor moves smoothly with minimal product loss, but manual control is essential, especially when you want your harvest to look showroom ready. Double Master 2 is a true dance of threshers and fans, with each phase tuned to absurd precision. A 3-stage cleaning system, soft drum, and on-the-fly adjustments ensure dry beans enter the tank whole, clean, and without losses. The Automec Agavalator takes on all the heavy lifting, leaving workers with only one job, not to get in its way. This semi-automatic, electric-powered lifting-enabled unit maintains harvesting pace while saving workers' backs, because Radicchio demands respect. This is the Cabbage Special Forces unit with electric drive. It undercuts heads from below, lifts them onto the belt, and trims in one smooth move. Compact, maneuverable, and ideal for small fields, its semi-automatic harvesting system preserves quality and keeps up the pace, even in tight rows. The Garmog AGP plants onion sets like it's competing in an Agri-Olympics. Straight, fast, and flawless. 7 working sections, automatic feed, adjustable depth, and row spacing. Everything you need to turn a field into a perfectly lined textbook of crop science. The HSMOB, paired with the Menzi muck, works in the forest like a precision surgeon with a chainsaw. The heavy-duty Seppi mulcher cuts trees and shrubs right at the root, shredding them into chips in seconds. Thanks to its hydraulic drive and excavator-compatible setup, the unit performs confidently in hard-to-reach areas, leaving the terrain perfectly cleared. This machine literally pulls leeks from the ground, shakes, trims, and places them onto pallets, all while preserving the roots and market-ready appearance. Its finely tuned depth and cleaning adjustments make leek harvesting fast and impressively gentle for such a finicky crop. The Vitus Porum Auto reveals the behind-the-scenes magic of agriculture. In the video, you can see rotating blades gently digging around leeks, while mechanical arms carefully lift them onto the conveyor. Every movement is choreographed like a ballet. This machine harvests cabbage, places it in crates, and arranges them right on the field beds. Thanks to its automatic stacking system and modular build, the harvester transforms the chaos of collection into an organized system for storing fresh produce. FSI isn't a spy agency. It's a tree shaker that does in 5 seconds what used to take a whole day. It grabs an apple, hazelnut, or pecan tree and shakes it until all the ripe fruit falls. Clean, powerful, and no nonsense. With this Franquet tractor and tiller combo, the soil becomes table smooth. It crushes clods, levels the surface, and creates a perfect seedbed in a single pass. High speed and power turn field prep into total soil transformation. This John Deere model was born for potatoes, powerful, nimble, and sure-footed. Working in sync with a potato planter, it lays tubers in the ground like on a ruler. Precision, depth, and uniformity, all scientifically tuned and joyfully executed. Oxbow is the armored truck of harvesters, up to 14-ton capacity, self-propelled base, and adjustable cleaning for all potato types. It charges across the field like it knows every tuber by name, not a wasted motion in sight. The Oxbow 2228 is power times 2, dual-purpose equipment for hay and grain, built on 20 years of Oxbow expertise. A sturdy frame and reliable components make it perfect for tough conditions, ideal for those who won't compromise on feed harvesting. The Italian Baulatrice Duo creates beds that will make any gardener jealous. One module forms perfect ridges, the other immediately lays mulch film. Fast, neat, tightly stretched. Not a single weed has a chance to sprout. Lauer's Andro is hardcore equipment for tough tillage. It doesn't just loosen soil, it pulverizes clumps into dust, leaving behind smooth, breathable earth. Perfect for dense, stubborn ground, it sets the tempo for the season's yield. Asparagus harvesting isn't usually fun, but this homemade electric harvester changes everything. It hums quietly, drives itself, picks on its own. All you have to do is watch it cruise through the task like a walk in the park. Machine number 06 for red cabbage works at 3.7 miles per hour and delivers up to 30 tons per hour, nearly 70 tons per hectare. A true yield monster that handles tight rows and heavy heads without flinching, cutting, lifting, and loading non-stop. In Switzerland, everything runs precisely, and the KVE cabbage harvester is no exception. It moves steadily, works delicately, and collects head after head as if it knows each one is destined for a perfect jar of sauerkraut. Harvesting elegance in action. Kubota on drainage duty is like a surgeon in the soil. It moves slowly, steadily, and with no wasted motion. Its powerful blade precisely opens the ground, carving clean drainage channels, crucial for laying foundations or prepping fields for planting. The Adro Dominator isn't just a log splitter, it's a true hydraulic beast. New, powerful, and with enough force to crack even the gnarliest logs. No axes, no sweat. Just press the button and the log splits cleanly in two. The FM World Harvester devours sugarcane whole, fast, precise, uncompromising. Sectional blades, sorting and unloading systems all work like Swiss clocks, delivering clean cuts with minimal losses and maximum yield in the bin. The Savannah 516 model isn't just a plow, it's an earth-ripping storm. One pass flips entire layers of soil like a giant blade tearing through the ground. Sheer power, and that first cut sends shivers down a farmer's spine. Cult is like weed surgery, but without chemicals. Mechanical control between and within rows works with centimeter precision. No rogue stems, just clean gaps. Ideal for organic farming and those who avoid herbicides. The Select model isn't a tractor with a harrow. It's a near jeweler's tool for weeding within rows. Perfect for delicate crops and for those who want to clean smart, not just thoroughly. Pfluger's harvester gathers spinach faster than you can say Popeye. A 4-row system with independent height control, a nearly 10-foot cutting width, and gentle transport straight into containers. Not a gram of freshness lost. "70 tons of beets per hectare?" Jan Sandberg, a farmer with drone-level precision and modest expectations, was stunned when Farm Droid not only seeded, but also brought in a top-tier yield. No fatigue, no errors. Machines working day and night, saving labor and skyrocketing results. This V-shaped mower looks like a titanium blade guided by a drone-controlled Valtra. Nearly 30 feet wide, smooth-moving, and with an aggressive cut. It turns fields into perfect lawns before you can say tractor driver. The new Camps Voltadora isn't just a compost turner, it's an aerodynamic turbine for soil improvement. Flipping windrows up to 8 feet wide, it oxygenates and doubles fermentation speed. Clean, fast, eco-friendly. See for yourself. Globus E-Trike is a next-gen electric multipurpose platform, GPS-controlled for targeted fertilizing, weeding, and mechanical cultivation. Compact, eco-friendly, and intelligent, it turns crop care into an exact science, all without harming the soil. Here's Globus, a true surgical planter with navigation. Thanks to GPS, it places each seedling with inch-perfect accuracy, wasting neither time nor resources. Ideal for those who don't just plant, they architect yields. Fast, precise, flawless. The Optimum automatic harvester from Pelenk is a giant designed for gentle, high-speed harvesting. With Arbo process perfected, it features suspension, soft gripping, and continuous feeding, like giving a fruit tree a massage instead of a shake. Behold, the true forest monster. Equipped with a powerful drive and a steel disc, it cuts through shrubs and trees up to 14 inches in diameter, turning them into mulch in seconds. Its belt drive ensures uninterrupted and efficient operation in harsh conditions. WaterGator is a perfect predator for tackling algae. This remotely operated genius cuts, collects, and removes excess vegetation with incredible precision, cleaning up to 2 acres of water per hour and restoring ponds to their pristine clarity. The skid loader splits logs up to 30 inches long like a hot knife through butter. With its hydraulic drive, it can process tons of wood per day, leaving behind neatly arranged firewood. The Merry Peat makes ditch maintenance effortless. It cuts peat, levels edges, and ensures proper drainage in a single pass with perfect precision. The Bobman SL self-load confidently takes on cleaning tasks. With self-loading capabilities, a powerful bucket, and well-designed maneuverability, it's indispensable on farms where speed and efficiency are critical. A floating irrigation pump redefines watering methods. Gently moving along canals, it delivers water to even the most remote areas, ensuring even moisture distribution and optimal crop growth. Farmall has taken harvesting to the next level. Smoothly rotating blades cleanly cut stalks while preserving their structure, and high maneuverability allows it to operate on the most challenging field terrain. Cleaning gravel roads with the Volvo EW is a straightforward and efficient process. The hydraulic manipulator and precise attachments easily clear shoulders, restoring a tidy road appearance in minimal time. The Allen Schwadlegger turns potato harvesting into a fast and flawless process. 4 rows of blades carefully unearth tubers, minimizing damage and increasing productivity with its high-speed operation. The V-shaped windrower forms precise rows of peat, gently gathering it from the soil surface with adjustable rotary rakes. Then the EcoField machine completes the job, cutting, shredding, and mechanically collecting the peat into its hopper. The Trio Track machine autonomously loads ingredients using a powerful bucket, then thoroughly mixes them in a massive drum and evenly distributes feed into troughs, saving time and ensuring a perfectly balanced diet. The Kolnag potato planter plants 4 rows in a single pass. Its automatic tuber feeding system gently places them into prepared furrows, while rear closers cover the planting with soil, creating optimal conditions for growth. The Vicon Fast Bale handles bale wrapping at record speeds. After compressing the hay, the roll moves to the wrapper, where a dual film attachment system tightly seals the bales, protecting them from moisture and ensuring long-term storage. The lightweight backpack frame of the still sprayer, its powerful turbine and adjustable spray range make it easy to quickly treat trees, bushes, or crops, saving solution while covering up to 30 feet with a single motion. Planting saplings in a nursery becomes a seamless process thanks to the John Deere tractor and attachment equipment. The tractor carves perfectly straight furrows, automated mechanisms lay the saplings, and workers carefully secure them by hand. The Husqvarna sweeper turns leaf cleanup into a breeze. Rotary brushes gently collect leaves into a container without damaging the lawn, and its maneuverability and ease of use make the job quick and enjoyable. And this machine is a high-tech solution for automated layering of potatoes. It uses an automatic distribution system that ensures the potatoes are filled evenly and neatly without manual intervention. The root crops pass through a mechanism that sorts and places them in predetermined layers. Built-in sensors monitor the stacking quality, ensuring minimal damage and loss. The DeWolf carrot harvester, together with a John Deere tractor, provide the perfect duo for precise and efficient harvesting. The flexible digging system gently digs up the carrots to minimize damage to the root crops, after which they're transferred to the auger conveyor. Special cleaning rollers remove dirt and stones, and the carrots are then carefully loaded into the hopper or onto the trailer. With a cutting width of nearly 32 feet and speeds up to 12 miles per hour, this mower operates with surgical precision. Roller shredders gently crimp stems, preserving protein and moisture, while the Siemens system manages route and performance. Not a single inch of crop is lost, even on turns. When the Masano RSC bites into the soil, it doesn't just loosen, it clears the earth for new life. With a 98-inch wide tiller, dual-shaft system, and deep incorporation capability, the machine turns clods and residue into a uniform carpet ready for perfect seeding. Tiger's modern leaf cleaning system harvests sugar beets with such respect, it's as if its roots are being honored. The field is left spotless, and the beets look ready for a storefront display. FSI isn't a spy agency. It's a tree shaker that does in 5 seconds what used to take a whole day. It grabs an apple, hazelnut, or pecan tree and shakes it until all the ripe fruit falls. Clean, powerful, and no nonsense. Kubota on drainage duty is like a surgeon in the soil. It moves slowly, steadily, and with no wasted motion. Its powerful blade precisely opens the ground, carving clean drainage channels, crucial for laying foundations or prepping fields for planting. Cult is like weed surgery, but without chemicals. Mechanical control between and within rows works with centimeter precision. No rogue stems, just clean gaps. Ideal for organic farming and those who avoid herbicides. 70 tons of beets per hectare? Jan Sandberg, a farmer with drone-level precision and modest expectations, was stunned when Farm Droid not only seeded but also brought in a top-tier yield. No fatigue, no errors. Machines working day and night, saving labor and skyrocketing results. Want to scorch weeds without a drop of chemicals? The Envodan E-Therm does it in style, with a direct stream of air heated to 1200 degrees Fahrenheit. It moves through rows like fire over dry grass. Fast, precise, effective. Perfect for potato fields where protecting the crop is key. This versatile machine simultaneously collects stones and trims grass or plant remnants, leaving the field in perfect condition. With a working width of nearly 19 feet and a powerful mechanism, Spartan saves time by combining two tasks in one. The Camstar Herbs Harvester carefully cuts parsley using precise blades and gentle handling for transportation, preserving freshness and minimizing damage during harvest. A test demonstrates how the bag unloader extracts grain at a rate of up to 9 tons per hour. The mobile feeding system handles large volumes effortlessly, ensuring efficient field logistics. When lettuce needs to be harvested quickly and with technology, the Automec 8300 lettuce harvester comes to the rescue. This harvesting combine is a real find for farmers who value efficiency and quality. With its precise cutting system, the Automec 8300 can process up to 5 rows of lettuce in one pass, significantly speeding up the harvesting process. Adaptive knives automatically adjust to the plant height, ensuring a neat and even cut. The powerful engine and easy operation make the combine an indispensable assistant in the field, simplifying the farmer's work and reducing harvesting time. This hand attachment from Koppel does 2 jobs in one pass, mowing and swathing. Whether it's preparing feed for livestock or clearing the field, the multitasker handles it perfectly, ensuring the ideal condition of your cultivated land. And the most interesting thing is that regardless of the size of your field, the Koppel multitasker will help you get the job done faster and easier while maintaining high quality for future feed. The curtain rises, and here it is, the Asa lift machine, promising to turn beet and carrot harvesting into a real show. Imagine it's not just harvesting equipment, but a magical device that paints gray weekdays into the orange-red shades of the harvest. With every maneuver in the field, the Asa lift whispers to the carrots and beets, "Time to leave the ground." And they follow it like stars on the red carpet. Forget heavy labor. Now every harvest is a festival of color and taste, where you're the main guest. Think of the Kuhn OptiWrap models OWR 6000 and OWS 6500 as professional wrappers in the farming world. These bale wrapping machines work not only quickly, but also extremely neatly. Forget how you ever stored hay before. Now, every bale will be wrapped with jeweler's precision, protecting your harvest from the weather and time. Just place the bale on the conveyor and let the machine work its magic. Thanks to thoughtful technology, you can relax knowing your hay is in good hands. Allow me to introduce the Ballenboy, a cool, reliable assistant for bale transportation. This is not just a transporter, but a real time machine, saving you hours and effort. Forget heavy and awkward bale movements by hand. The Ballenboy handles its tasks easily and gracefully, like a dancer on ice. Just load the bales and watch it carefully deliver them to the right place. The sturdy construction and thoughtful fastening system ensure the safety of your cargo. Soil preparation has never been so easy and productive with a Cultipacker from Collier & Miller Engineering. This specialty-built unit turns fieldwork into a pleasant task. It easily compacts and levels the soil, creating ideal conditions for sowing. Forget about mess and unevenness. The Cultipacker brings perfect order, allowing your plants to grow in the most favorable conditions. Rest assured, the efficiency and reliability of this helper will amaze you from the first use. When a mower is needed that can handle any task, the Twiga T80 from the Spearhead Contractor Profile is your reliable ally. This powerful machine is ready to work in fields and along roads, turning thickets into perfectly trimmed areas. With an arm reach of up to 26 feet, the mighty Twiga T80 reaches the most inaccessible places, like a real acrobat in the arena. Regardless of conditions, this mower demonstrates precision and power that impress. It's time to turn your fields and roadsides into a model of order and neatness. Trust this task to the Twiga T80. If the Jade 300 could talk, it would probably tell you jokes while harvesting blueberries. This harvester is a true virtuoso in the world of berry machines, approaching each bush with such sophistication as if it were on a date. It collects blueberries so carefully that even the most fastidious berries don't have time to get scared. Trust your harvest to the Jade 300, and blueberry picking will be as easy as turning on your favorite music, with one press of a button. Thank you for watching Smart Tech. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. We'll see you in the next video.